Good morning. I am Anup Kumar, student in Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about the 21st November 2025, how what we study and what we recall them and what we think. That will be recording next morning, next day at morning time, and they will uh, we study in go to library, college library, and then we will first study in engineering chemistry. That engineering chemistry will I have covered those topics that to be have done. That is first is we revise them UV spectroscopy. What is UV spectroscopy and molecular motion, electronic electronic transitional, rotational and vibrational, electronic vibrational, rotational and translational. These are rotational and they will study range of the UV, that is 150 to 800, that is UV visible, and UV and visible, that is UV of near and far path are divided in some nanometers. Then we study about B.S. Lambert law and I also feel then we absorbance and intensity of incident and absorbance and capacity concentration and in reflected of incident intensity of reflected ray, and then we will study about transmittance of light, that is transmittance is equal to log 1 by t, A is equal to absorption is equal to log 1 by t, that is relation between absorption and transmittance. Then we study again, that is electronic transition, and move on, that is electronic transition. We have four types of electronic transition: sigma, sigma star, sigma pi star, n2 sigma star and n2 pi star. That is the arranging order of the electronic transition. And next we will study about chromophore and auxochrome. That is chromophore responsible for light and auxochrome will be intensity of color, and that responsible for color, uh, that or auxochrome and chromophore, that is chromophore will be study about changing of color from molecule and atom, or molecule and atom or group of atom, and that is the group for nitro, NO2 and N double bond, and that is di diazo group, and auxochrome have NH2 OH and H2, that is functional group R atom on these things. And next we will study about that is the intensity and absorbance graph, that we will study about the wavelength and intensity, that they have four shift, that is first have, that is they will study about first is bathochromic shift and hypsochromic shift, hypochromic shift, and hyperchromic shift. That is our four type of shifts in UV spectrum. That is then we study about this, that four type are we study, then we move on next topic what we study about this. That is four type, and next we will think about this and we will convert of these things, and they will study about what we conjugate, and next we will see about this. Yes, that is I lost two topic. That is first is I lost two topic. First is solvent effect. That is two effect of solvent have in UV. That is first is sigma and pi, not in sigma and pi. That is n to pi star and pi to pi star. That is if n to pi star, then downward shift, and pi to pi star will be up. That is first n to pi star will be upper state will be shift downward, and pi to pi star have energy will be ground state shift downward. That is two, and two shift of the UV. That is solvent effect. That is they are observers of light for reason of any occasion. And next we will study about the hydrogen in hydrogen effect of the UV. That is the effect of hydrogen bonding in UV. That is hydrogen bonding was if the what you not want to what we not understand that topic, and next we will discuss about the e use of application of UV spectroscopy. That is it is the det- it is used to detect the spectrum. This is impurity. It is used to detect impurity. It is used to detect. That is five things that we are not recalling, but we think about this. That is first impurity. Then next, yes, it is to detect the saturation and unsaturated compound, and that is the they will it is the detect of the quantitative analysis, and they will detect the impurities, and they will detect the exhausted conjugation. It is useful to detect geometrical isomerism. That is first exhaust. These things are detected. That is first exhaust exhaust conjugation, and next impurity, saturated and unsaturated compound. That is geometrical isomerism, and so on. That is they will study about chemistry. Then we will move on mechanical or electronics. That electronics will be a study about this thing we know Guzelman classes. And that first we revise the next, that is semiconductor. That is semiconductor. We will cover first topic have semiconductor, conductor, and insulator. That is three types of conduction of light. That is semiconductor lie on the between insulator and conductor. That is insulator will be no flowing of current, and they have conductor have more free electron than that is conductor electricity, and then move on next type. That is if three type converted in electron ele- that is electron, that a diagram that we not understand with understand but not recalling. That is first first we study about energy energy band diagram. That is energy band diagram. Three types of energy band diagram. That is first insulator have gap is forbidden gap is more on conduction band and valence band. That is greater than 5 electron volt is easy. And next energy have conduction. Semiconductor have electron volt is similar to 1 electron volt. That is conduction band and valence band. And next is conduction. That is valence band and conduction band are both are overlapping. And this is highly conductive element. That is the reason for this. Then we move on semiconductor, types of semiconductor, that is intrinsic and extrinsic. That is intex, intrinsic semiconductor, it is the purest form of the world, that is purest form of the semiconductor. And extrinsic semiconductor have two types, that is p type and n type. P type have present majority of positive ions and holes, and so p type have not present only on. That is n type have present holes and minority culture, minority carriers. That we study about the no bias, then forward bias, then reverse bias. That we will all study about this. We are discuss about the no bias PN junction diode. That is, you are studying n type and p type, then you move on next PN junction diode or electronic diode. Electronic diode. That is, we PN junction have, they are conducting of the, first we will discuss about the figure. That is, uh, one side is p type and next left has, right side have n type. That is, p type have two type, that is positive and majority charge carrier, and holes are positive, holes are majority, and negative are acceptor ion, and holes, that is minority, are negative ions. And this side is majority, minority, and acceptor ion. Mid of the create depletion layer and immobile ions, that they are not moved. That is the structure of PN junction diode. That is no bias, then we study forward bias and reverse bias. That is more things. And we on move on next is mechanical, then we study about mathematics. That mechanical we study about measurement, what is measurement, and what about the measurement, that is things about these things. And next we will study about anything, but we not consume them. Thank you.